Replacing memory chip on USB-RD demo board is relatively simple. We have to open the enclosure. Push the micro SD card to release it. Insert new micro SD card. Put the board back into enclosure. Insert USB-R memory stick into computer. The red light will be on for about a minute or less, depends on the speed of the memory card. This red light shows that USB-R controller detected the change of the memory and started the manufacturing reset. Meantime, let us prepare the copy of the software that we have to download to this memory stick. Usually there are two primary reasons to replace the memory of USB-RD demo memory stick. One is to increase the size of the memory, and the other is to return the memory stick back to life in case it becomes completely unresponsive for some reason. Remember that if you install new memory on USB-RD stick, all information on memory chip will be completely lost. Do not forget to save all important files before changing memory. Okay, the manufacturing reset was successfully finished. It has a temporary directory that was created during the reset. We do not need it, so we can delete it. There should be such directory on the drive. It is probably hidden. Let us make it visible. We need to copy this demonstration application to memory stick. And we need this driver simulator. Now we have to disconnect the memory stick from computer and connect it back. Wait for drive is ready. Okay, it is ready. Note that there was no pass files were used to open this drive. No pass file has been programmed yet. To program a pass file, we should select a line on the list and then go to selection of a new pass file. Now we have to select the type of pass file and push the Program Pass File button. Pass File 1 has been programmed successfully. We suggest having at least 2 admin pass files to have another way to modify the device parameters. In order to use recordable drive, we will have to format it first. This is why we need a RD format pass file. And of course, we need a user pass file to write files to recordable drive and to read them back. Pass file are ready. Now we have to disconnect the memory stick from computer and connect it back again. The next step is to format the recordable drive. We use this PDF file that we just programmed as RD format pass file. Let us run this application again. Formatting procedure is very simple. Wait for acknowledgement of RD format command. Now we have to disconnect the memory stick from computer and connect it back one more time. Let us run this application again. Now we are in the user mode. You can see the new size of the recordable drive. USB RD stick is ready to work. Just for demonstration, let us record something and read then back. Here you can see the usage of the recordable drive memory. When living this application, wait for the end of updating of the recording information. Now we can eject the memory stick.